So only for the forward button, it was taking some time.
Only for the forward button, it is taking some time. What about left, right, and then backward?
So
No, keep on pressing it. Keep on pressing it. Keep on pressing it. However, it does seem to perfect. It does seem to be perfectly well. Hmm. Okay, there is one other way. What about the right button? The motor is also running. Okay. Okay. Stop the simulation. Click on code. Go to code. Now copy the switch section. I want you to copy this entire block. Let me annotate. Good. That entire block. Copy it.
yes, sir.
See, now what I'm doing is it was working for this particular loop. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go up a little. Just go up a little.
Can I copy? Okay.
Stop, stop, stop. See, here we have the backward. Now, when this particular switch statement is available just next to backward, it is able to print that particular character. Correct. So
Mm.
what I think I should do is I will just simply paste this switch block after every if else block.
Okay, sir.
So Divyanshu, you paste the switch block again here in this particular section.
Sir, I did know. Sir.
Yeah, paste it. Go up a little. After every single button, you just paste it. Very good. Very good. I think it's here. I think you've left it somewhere. Okay. See if it is. See to that it is pasted after every if else. So
Uh,
forward if else. Okay. Forward, you have a switch. Come down. Forward. Okay. Right. Do you have a switch?
sir, this one.
It's correct only. Correct. Correct.
Sir,
Next.
then again for left, this one.
No. This one is for right.
Right.
Yes. See, the right will be on top there.
Okay, sir, so that now I have to remove the forward. Then I have, sir, this one.
No. No.
So this one.
See, wait, Divyanshu. You have if of forward, right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Mm.
Then you have an else,
Yes, sir.
right? Then
Yes, sir.
I want you to paste a switch. Similar way, do this for reverse, then right, then left. Okay, it's what you have done is correct only. Right after go up a little, go up a little. No, I don't want this here. Not needed.
Sir.
Not needed. You can delete that. Okay, good. Now you have forward. So when forward is set, you will have the value of a to 1. And if a is set to 1, it will go here, it will execute it, and then it will print forward. Get my
Yes, sir.
point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, come down a bit. See to that after see here.
Right.
If here it's high, a is 2, it will check, it will set the value of a to 2, and then it will show reverse. Go down.
Sir, sorry, sir. Network
Not a
connection.
problem. Not a problem. I have already put the class on recording. I will share the recording with you. Okay, Shreya.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So here it's left is 3, a is 3, and after setting the value to 3, it will again switch the value to left. Come down a
So
bit.
this switch statement.
Yes.
So
So now you have a to 4 high, and then it will come down here, and then it will again switch. Come down a bit. So after this, nothing will be there. You will close it, and I think you can reduce the delay. You can, I think you can remove the delay. Not needed now. Yes, simply remove it. Yes. Compile the
sir,
code. Start this.
this line after every means forward, backward. Shall I have to paste this also, sir?
Not a problem. See, this is in void loop.
Mm.
This particular statement and the switch statement is in void loop. When
Yes,
you typed in, you put it like this: void loop. That is why I looked for the ending and closing and ending of the flower braces. See, when you write the particular code, you should have a virtual image of the code in your head. So this is void loop, and in between you had if, and then you had an else. Okay, so you had 4 instances of this if and else, correct?
yes, sir.
And then what did you do? You have this particular statement present here in this particular, just before you're closing the void loop, you have this particular line present here. So what will happen every single time that this void loop is executed, it will be executed. Since this particular statement lcd.setCursor of 5 comma 0 is not inside if else, or it is not inside any of the 4 condition of if else, it is outside of it, so it will be executed continuously. Every single time that the code runs from top to bottom, it will be executed. Okay,
Okay,
start
sir.
the simulation. Now see what happens. Okay, it's printing altered. I think it's changing forward, correct?
Yes, sir. See,
Good. Now right, changing, correct?
yes, sir.
Good.
Oh,
Left,
sir,
then
left
come
also.
down. Okay, good. Now we have another problem. Okay, so how do you solve this? So what is the problem?
Sir,
Stop the simulation, show me the code. No, stop the simulation. Yes. Now you tell me what the problem is.
sir, I have to display in one line.
You have to display it in one line. Not a problem. The problem is with this particular LCD set cursor 5 comma 0. So what your controller will do is, if certain things are not within your controller, and if you're not able to understand where it might be going wrong, like in this case, you don't know at which particular line that the character is being printed and why it is being printed there. You don't understand it. That is because you don't have a virtual image of the code in your brain. Okay, so
Mm.
when you face situations as such as this, you take control of the LCD. So every single time a character is printed on the LCD, you put this command set cursor 5 comma 0, and then you print the character. So every single time you see here, this is the case that I did. So I know these problems will occur. In my previous situations, I had these problems. So that is why every single time that I did this LCD set cursor 5 comma 1, and then I printed A. So what is happening now is, in this particular line, go up a little bit. It is not due to this particular block. Go up a little bit. No, go up. Stop. A little down, a little down, a little down. I just want to see from this section, this if left is equal to high, I want this to come here. Can you bring it like that? Scroll down a bit.
Sir, up
I
more,
want
sir.
I want line number 103 to come here, pa. Can you do that? Can you scroll down a bit so that you can adjust that line 103 to here? Scroll down. If you scroll down, it will automatically come up.
Mm. Oh, okay, sir.
Good. See, now when we press the particular left button, A is set to 3, and we are setting the cursor to 5 comma 1, which means what is going to happen? So this is my LCD, and then this is my row 0, and this is my row 1. So when I set this particular cursor to 5 comma 1, the value of A is being printed here. The value of A here in this particular instance is 3, and that 3 is being printed here. After that, it prints the character A, and then it writes 13 comma high, else A is equal to 0. LCD dot set cursor 5 comma 1. LCD again set cursor to 5 comma 1, which is this location, the value of 3, and then low. So here it says switch of A. So what is the value of A? Here it's 3. So what is the case here? Case 3 will be executed. And then what are we doing here? LCD dot print leftward.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen now?
So it will be printed
Where?
in the LCD, sir.
What is the row and position?
Uh, the 5 and 1, sir.
5 and 1. 5 and 1. Correct. So instead of 5 and 1, we have already set the cursor to 5 comma 1. It already printed the character if. It already printed this character if. Let me just erase a certain thing so that it doesn't confuse you. Where is the eraser? Good. So let me just erase this and all. And get rid of this as well. Okay. So here the value of a is 3, that value of a is 3 comes to here, and the LCD set cursor is 5 and 5 comma 1. So the 5 comma 1 is set here. So once this if condition is satisfied, will the else run?
No, sir.
No, this won't run. So what is the value of a here? 3. So switch off 3, correct? Switch
sir.
off 3. Case 3 is executed now. So after that case 3 is executed, what is it going to print? It is going to print leftward. So
Leftward.
where will leftward be printed now?
So in 5 and 1, sir.
5 and 1. So it
Yes,
will
sir.
not be
Of the
printed
LCD.
on 5 and 1 because we have set the cursor to 5 comma 1. So the cursor will be here set to 5 comma 1, which will not be printed. So in order for you to print the cursor, there is another command. When you set the cursor will be there at 5 comma 1. And since you are printing lcd.print, here you are printing lcd.print of a, that a value is printed here. 3 is printed at 5 comma 1. What will the LCD automatically do? Since it already knows that a character is printed at 5 comma 1, it will automatically increment the cursor to the next position. 6 comma 1.
1.
Okay, so 5 comma 1 is your column comma row. So once it has already printed a character there, it will increment the value. So it will be 6 comma 1. So what is the where will be the left word be printed now? Five comma 1, we already have a value printed, and
Sir, then 6 comma 1.
6 comma 1. Where will the left word be printed, Divyanshu?
Sir, then 6 comma 1, sir.
6 comma 1. Very good. So what is going to happen here? We have 3, and next to it we have left word. So similarly, what is happening at all the other places? It is going to print the value of a followed by left word or right word. So what change should you do to eliminate this? Can you tell me? Anybody? Divyanshu, Varun, Shreya? I think Tarun has already joined.
So one more time question. Can you repeat?
See, we have the LCD. We have the LCD. So we have column separated by rows. So these are the things which are happening. So here we have set the command as LCD set cursor 5 comma 1. So what will happen? Imagine this being 0, 1, 2, 3, and then let this be 5. Imagine if this is 5. The value of a here is 3, and once it sees the LCD.print a, the a value is printed in this location. So we have a printed here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then since the value of a is 3, switch sees the value of a is equal to 3 and it will go to case 3. And then we're printing the character lcd.print leftward. Since we have after incrementing the value, it is since the set cursor is at 5 comma 1, what will happen? There is already a character there at 5 comma 1, so the LCD prints the leftward next to 5 comma 1 here. So this repeats for all the switch cases. So in order for me to take control of where the forward That is this. I'm referring to these things: forward, backward, leftward, and then halted. In order these things to be printed elsewhere, what should I do?
Sir, you have to put another one set cursor above the LCD dot print forward.
Okay, is that correct? Do others agree with Varun's statement?
To where to put that cursor, sir?
Where Shreya is putting a question to you, Varun. Where should be the cursor
Cursor
be
should
put?
be placed.
Sir, to 5,0, sir.
Where pa?
5,0, sir.
5,0. No, I think she is asking where it should be put, where that particular
Cursor.
line should be printed.
He asked no, sir.
Sir, I
He
think
said,
he have told in the switch statement.
Okay, can Shreya, can you understand them?
sir,
Above that statement.
I think someone highlighted that particular line. Who highlighted
Me
that?
only, sir. Me,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Shreya, அந்த இடத்துல
Sir.
போடணும்னு சொல்றாங்க.
yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Above that statement, sir.
Yes, yes.
That case 1 க்கு
That
கீழ
is
போட
after case 1.
Yes, sir.
Instead of line number 20, you have to put in set cursor and then comes LCD.print. Is that correct?
I think so, sir.
I think so. So that is not what you meant. You are meaning something
Sir.
else and I told something else.
No, sir.
Ah.
It's what I told is correct, sir. But will it work or not?
So, I think what you're saying is after case 1, you have to put LCD.setCursor and then you have to put LCD.print, correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you're telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divyanshu, you take one switch
Yes, sir.
statement, you make the change as what Varun is saying and see if it works. You all three work together, solve this.
Sir, the first one can I take, sir?
Anything which works for
Sir,
you
we
is
can
fine
take
with me.
case 3 no, sir, because there is is equal to 3, so we can take case 3 no, sir.
Not a problem. You can take any case. You just have to check it with that appropriate button. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can put in case 3 dimension.
What shall I put,
In case 3,
sir? So what I will type in?
what Varun said. That,
No. You have to type it below case 3.
no, yes, after that case 1 you have to type.
Can you tell me what to
You
type?
have to type set cursor 5,0. LCD dot set cursor 5,0.
Zero comma 5, 5 comma 0, both are same.
No,
Or we
one
have
is
to type
column and
it in-
one is row. So Varun, is this correct?
Yeah. Try to start this.
Okay.
Start it. Press the buttons left, right, forward and bottom. What it shows? 3 leftward. Huh? You just place the cursor and then you press the center to get the number. That is shows 3 leftward. You come to right side. Now you press the correct center.
You check
I
it
chose
with
to.
appropriate button that you have made the change to. You have changed it for one instance, correct?
Yes, sir.
So check with that particular instance and see if it is
Sir,
printing out properly.
That's left, I think, sir.
It shows 3, sir, in left, and right it shows 2, sir.
Okay, better. Divyanshu,
Yes, sir.
print the value of A in row 1. Print the text forward, reverse, backward, halt in row 0. Make the changes in all your codings.
Okay, sir.
You did it for this particular instance. Just wait 1 minute. Let me just, you did it for this particular instance. That is value of A is set to 1, LCD set cursor 5,1, print A, digital write, else low, case 1. And where have you changed the value? Where have you set the cursor? Set cursor. I don't find the statement here.
It's in
Sir,
case 3.
case
Sir.
3, sir.
No, you need to do it for all the cases.
So you
In
told
that particular
any
switch, in
you
that
told
particular switch, you do it for all the cases. In that particular
Okay.
switch, you do it for all the cases, and then you check and see.
So you told only any case you can take. That's what we took.
No,
In
no.
case 3,
For
sir.
any case, when I said any case, I meant this one. I meant this one. Forward. This is the case I meant. So you thought this was the case,
Yes,
not
sir.
like
1,
that.
2, 3. I thought.
I told about the button. I told about the button. Okay, you do it.
Sir, for the halter also. Hello.
Yes, you
Yes,
just
yes,
do it.
Divyanshu. Yes, you just write what's asked. You just write it. Did you type there in all the cases? You typed
Yes. Means only for the forward case I have typed.
Okay. Then you just
Shall I type it for the other cases also, like leftward, rightward?
You type it for all cases, then it might work.
then it will check with that. You just type. Check. He's annotating. I think so. Arun. He's annotating. Now you press the left button, Divyanshu. You check, but you just place it correctly so that what value it shows in left side. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Are you there?
Yes.
I asked in left side if you press means what it shows the value. I asked.
If left side.
Yes, left button. Then in right side, what it shows?
Means
So now it is printing all the things, right? Leftward, rightward, everything is being printed.
I'm confused, sir.
Sir, it is printed, sir, but it is not correctly. Sir,
You're
here left to
confused.
3
You're
means
confused,
right side
Divyanshu.
2.
What is the confusion?
Sir, in which row I have to display, sir? In 0 or 1?
See, you print the text in row 0, and then you print the value of A in row 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Let me know once you're done. You guys discuss,
Sir,
you guys do it. Yes.
Sir, in left if he press means after finishing this forward statement, it shows 3, sir. In right means it shows 2, sir. It is varying the values,
Value of
sir.
A.
Yes, sir. No, sir. In left means 3, right means 2. The buttons values is varying, sir.
Yes, that is because we assigned the value to those buttons. What we did was, when we press a particular button, we set the value of A to 1. If it is forward, A equals 1. If it is backward, A is equal
It's
to...
our wish to keep the value or the appropriate.
No, I only told him to put it so to debug it. So initially it was not printing any values. It was changing constantly. Hence, in order to take control of the text that is being printed on the LCD, I told him to assign these values to A and then keep control of whatever text is being displayed on the LCD.
Sir, not only in this anything we are doing means for that we can arrange in this numbers or any other numbers.
Any other numbers, if whatever number works for you, it's your wish, not a problem.
Not as that we'll say no, sir. This 0.
No, it is not. It is not. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. You can set it to anything that you like. Not a problem. This is an user-defined values which we give.
Okay, sir. That should be only till 5 or according to our case, sir. According to our coding.
According to our case, it is still 5. Yes, 5 comma 0. Are you referring to 5 comma 0? Is that what you're referring to?
No, sir. I'm referring about the cases. If the cases are till 5, means the numbers should be. I mean, the values of A should be only 5. Or I'm asking, sir.
No, I'm not getting you.
Sir, சார் இப்போ வந்து
A வேல்யூ 5 இருக்குறதும் கேஸ் 5 ஒண்ணா இருக்கணுமான்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
இல்ல சார் அப்படி கேட்கல. இப்போ A வந்து 5 இருந்துச்சுன்னா A is equal to 5னா அப்போ வந்து நம்ம கேஸ் வந்து நம்ம அரேஞ்ச் பண்றோம்ல சார், அதுவும் வந்து 5 தான் இருக்குமான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
எஸ் ஆமா.
இங்க 4 தான் அவன் பண்ணிருக்கான் சார். அப்போ 4 தான் இது பண்ணுவாங்க.
ஆமா.
4 கேஸ் தான் அவங்க அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கா. அப்போ அங்க
that is because he has used only 4 buttons. 1 2 3 4.
Okay sir. If we can use n number of or only this 4 we have to use, sir.
Depending upon your inputs that you need, you can use it.
Okay sir.
Divyanshu, you also have to set the cursor for default statement. Okay, good. Very good. Right, okay. Left. Back.
So
So why is it switching between? It's still blinking. Stop it. Go to your coding. So halted. What is it doing?
Hello.
Wait. So set cursor halted and backward default is set cursor to 5 comma 0. Start the simulation, do it again. So initially wait, don't press any buttons. So halted is being displayed just fine. Click on the code. Okay, this is the right. So A is set to 2, LCD set cursor 5 comma 1, and then print the value of A. So that should print the value 2, and then digital write else is 0, and then A is equal to 2. It should set the cursor 5 comma 0 and then rightward. Okay, print the right button. See, click on the right button. Yes. It is going. What is being displayed after rightward? Is it showing halted? When it is blinking, what is being shown? Is it showing halted? Divyanshu, you need to communicate with me.
Oh, sir. Yes, sir. My Microsoft, sir. Sir, it was showing right word.
No, right word. I think it is changing to, and it is switching constantly. What value is being shown at that time? I think it is halted. So, what is the case?
Sir, shall I bring it to the top line
No,
so
no,
that
no,
it
no,
will
not a
be?
problem. Yeah. Okay, bring it. Right word is set to LCD set cursor 5,0 LCD or print of a digital write. Hmm. Again, it is going to default 5,0 halted. 5,0 halted. Hmm. Why is it going to default state? Does it go to default state? When it is pressed constantly, it should set in that particular position and it should be there. Why is it going to 0? Add a 1 second delay at the bottom. At the last line, add a 1 second delay. Yep, keep it there.
Sir,
Yes, Shreya.
just a minute, sir.
What is it, Shreya?
Sir, I'll come, sir. Restroom, sir.
Yeah. Not a problem. I already told you. No need to ask me.
Sir.
Sir, it
Add
is going to.
no. You have put in just a delay of 1. Add a delay of 1,000. Add a delay after every switch statement.
Okay, sir.
Delay of 1,000 means 1 second. Add it after every switch statement.
Done, sir.
Start and decode. Is the same repeated?
So
So every 1 second it is. So every 1 second it is being changed.
yes, sir.
That condition is satisfied, and again it is going to default. It is satisfied somewhere else. See where that condition is satisfied. When you press that particular button, the value of A should be set only to. Now you are pressing the back button. The value of A should be set only to 4. and when it sees 4, it should go to case 4 and then it should print only backward. However, what is happening is it is printing default. The default condition is satisfied somewhere else and then it is printing. See if the value of A is assigned somewhere out of loop.
This one, sir.
No, not that. That is a global declaration. That is not a problem. Anywhere else?
Sir, or else instead of switch statement, why don't we use with if statement?
Similar, same problem you will face.
Okay.
I have checked, sir. It's not outside.
Take a piece of paper, take a pen, set down what is the value of A. Better, you just keep 2 conditions. Rest of the conditions you just comment it. See if you can comment it. I think there is an option where you can simply select and then right click and then click on comment. Just select 4 lines. Just select any line. Just select any line. Not needs to be 4. Any line. Okay. Right click. Right click.
Right click.
Right click. No. Where you have selected. After selecting, click on the selected area.
Sir, means I have to comment, no, sir.
Yes.
Then I can.
There is an easier way to comment. That is
sir,
select.
this, I know.
Just
sir.
select it. Select it.
Oh,
Select the lines. Now click on the blue area. Right click on the blue area. Yep. Does it say anywhere as comment? No, it's
Sir,
not
or
there.
else I can give this like this.
That will be no. There is one more thing. Yes, good. That was what I was about to say. Use slash star and then star slash. What I'm saying is you keep any 2 buttons alive and then you comment the rest of the buttons.
Oh, okay, sir.
Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then forward and
you keep any 2 consecutive buttons in your code alive and then you can comment the other buttons.
sir, along with the switch statement.
Yes, along with the switch statement.
Sir, from here. Oh. So this is for 1 button I have done.
Have we kept it for 2 buttons?
Sir, I will put now.
Keep 2 buttons alive. Rest of the 2 buttons you can comment.
Done, sir. Sir, the forward and right, sir. Hello.
Have you set it for 2 buttons?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start the simulation and see. So forward halted is being repeated.
Yes, sir.
Click on the leave it, halted. Click on the what other button did you keep? I
Sir,
told you to
forward and right.
kill the right part coding as well. Just keep the forward coding.
Okay, sir.
Have you done it?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay, do it now. Check the start the simulation and see what is happening now. Don't press the button yet. Halted. Okay, click forward. No, just keep on clicking the button.
Sir,
Halted. Okay, press the button. Don't leave it. Keep on clicking on it. Okay, it is now staying to forward. Leave it. Halted. It's working fine. It works
sir,
for one.
double D. It is coming double D.
Yeah, I will tell you that is another problem that I will tell you how to solve. That is not an issue. Click on the button again. Leave it. Add the second button. Go to your coding. Add the second button. Go on top. No, go on top. Go on top. Go top. Okay, come down a bit. Come down a bit. So what is happening is, if I click on the forward high, I is satisfied, a value is set to 1, and then it switches, else is not executed, and then it goes to switch, and then it prints the value forward. Now we have added the other button. Now click on start simulation. Now play between the two buttons. Forward halted, forward halted. Okay, I have found out what the problem is. Can anyone else find out?
No, sir.
I have found out why it is. See, when we keep one button, it is able to print the forward correctly. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But when we add the other button, there arises the problem. It is showing forward halted, forward halted, forward halted. Now, can anyone tell me why this happens? I will give you a hint. It is because the value of A is changed even when the other button is pressed. I will give you 10 minutes. You guys think it over and then you let me know.
Okay, sir.
The reason why, I will say it again, the reason why it is showing halted is because the value of A is changing somewhere in the coding. Now, whoever tells me the correct reason, he will be the winner. I will give you 10 minutes. Time is now 6:22. I will leave you till 6:32.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll just get a bottle of water in the meantime. So has anybody found out why? Any theories?
I'm still thinking.
Sir,
Yes, Varun.
sir, because I don't know if this is correct or not, sir, but
Hmm.
each and in the switch statement, case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4, that is interact with each and every of the if statements to see if they're true or false, sir. In that, maybe the values can change, sir.
Can you share me your screen? Can you share a white screen? You have an option in Zoom where you can share. When you click on share, it will show you an option called as white screen.
Sir, shall
Click
I
on it.
stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop share. Varun.
Sir, I'll join, sir.
Yeah.
My PC.
Yeah, sure. Because I just want to exactly understand what you're trying to put forward.
Sir, I think he's telling that for every button only one switch statement should be there and only one case.
Is that what you're saying, Varun?
Sir,
Divyanshi, can you repeat it?
Sir, I think you are referring to only one case inside one switch statement of a button.
no, Divyansh.
Okay.
Sir, this one, sir.
Yes. Can you write and show me what do you mean? At least you can make a small drawing and show me.
Okay. Sir, this is that switch statement, sir.
Okay.
These are the 4 if statements, sir. If and else.
Okay.
Like this switch, we have added 4 to each of the if and else, no, sir.
Can you repeat it? So this is the first switch statement, and then you have 4 if statements.
We have added the 4 switch statements to each of the if and else, no, sir.
Yes.
Even one of the switch statement will ask that is will interact with these all 4 if statements and see if the value is 2 or 4 or 1 or 2. So if it interacts like that, it may confuse the value, sir.
Okay. So I will give you a scenario. So initially we had only one button. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I will also annotate. See, initially we had only, can you see my writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So initially we had only one button, that is forward. Correct. We had only one button,
Yes,
forward. That was working fine. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And then we had the second button, which is, let's say it was the reverse button. Okay. But
sir.
when we pressed the forward button, it was showing forward and then halted. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with me, Divyanshi? It was showing forward, then halted. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, for this particular scenario, you tell me what is happening in your coding. Varun, I understand what you're telling me. You're telling me that we have four if conditions, and we have a switch statement, and every single time that we press a button, that the value of A is being affected, and that is being carried out by the switch statement, and hence it is showing these values. That is what you're putting forward, correct?
Yes, sir.
That I understand. Now, for this particular scenario, in your theory, can you relate and tell me what might be the problem? So let's say that this particular first block is forward, and then this one is reverse. Okay. Now, if I press the forward button, it is showing forward, not a problem. But when if I only have the forward coding, when I press the forward coding, it is showing as forward. But when I add the reverse coding, and then when I press the forward button, it is switching between forward and then halted.
Sir, I think because all if statements will be executed, sir.
Yes,
In that,
all if statements are executed, correct.
sir, in that the second if state in the case 2, it becomes the value 0, sir. So it prints halt with forward, sir.
Case 2 value becomes 0. Which
That
case
is
are you
for
referring to?
that is for the second this here both of both the if statements will be executed at one time, no, sir.
If statement, okay, but if you have both if and else, which are you referring to?
Both, sir. When we start the simulation, both of these will get executed, sir.
Not both, any one.
Okay, sir.
You have passed it. It is showing as resume. See, now it will start. See, for one particular condition, you have an if and then an else. And for the next button, you have if and an else. Third one, you have if and an else. And then the fourth one, you have an if and an else. Now, first, it will see if the condition is true. Correct. If it is true, then whatever is inside if condition will be executed. If the if condition is not satisfied, whatever in if condition will not be executed, that will be skipped, and the whatever is present in else will be executed. Now, tell me what you're referring to, Varun.
Sir, I got confused, sir. I thought both of these statements will be executed at the same time, sir.
Okay. Divyanshu, share me your screen.
Yes, sir.
See, let me just, okay, leave it as such. Leave it as such, not a problem. So let me just run a quick crash course. So first it will check if forward equal to high. If forward, if this particular condition is satisfied, then this particular block will be executed. Okay. And then this else section will be skipped. This is what happens. Now, if this particular condition is false, if condition is not satisfied, then the if statement, whatever is under if, is completely skipped, and whatever is in else, that will be executed. This is how if else works. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Divyanshu,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when we had only the forward button, when you press the forward button, it was showing forward, no problems. But when you added another button, even when you press the forward button, it was switching between forward and halted. It was switching back and forth. Why?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. No. Okay, you both have this code, right? Varun, Divyanshu, you both have this code, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your controller is just like a mirror. Whatever you say, it is going to respond. Whether it is good or bad, whatever you say, it is going to do it. But you just have to understand where at what time what you're saying, and where at what time what it is replying. Okay, I will tell you a simple hint. You just see what is printed on the LCD, and then you see what is there on your coding, and then you backtrack your code, you will find the solution. I'll give another 10 more minutes. See, you trying to do a project is very simple. You trying to do a project, you trying to make a robot fly, or you trying to move a robot is very easier. Those things have already been done by big industries. When you go to your if you take a profession in coding, and when you go, these are the problems you will find. You will be mostly when you are developing a product, you will face these sort of issues, and you have to debug them. So this is your debugging session. I will give no, even what, I think only two of you are there, Varun and Divyanshu, only two are here present. You take this entire class, I think we have another 20 minutes left on the clock. You decode, you comment the code, you check and see why it is coming. See, what did I do initially? I checked and see what was happening initially, and then I backtracked to what was the value of a, and then I saw what the value of a was printed, and then what did I do? I again checked the number of occurrences. So since the code was long, I shortened it, and then I found out the problem. I found out the problem. Now you do the same. Whatever you have to try, whatever you have in your mind, you try it, you debug it. Okay, if at all you don't find the solution at the end of the class, I will tell you.
Okay,
Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you
sir.
want, you can discuss, not a problem. You, if you have more than one solution, you note it down, we will discuss each and every single solution. Tell me,
Sir,
Varun.
I don't have the code exactly which Divyansh wrote, sir.
Divyanshu, can you copy the code and then put it in share it in our group so that he can also work on it?
Sir, but then I have to change it to the analog
So
pins.
these problems you're also facing, right? In your particular coding also, you are having this forward backward, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it will be the same for you as
Yeah,
well,
I've
correct?
given.
Yeah, I
Yes,
saw
sir.
it, you just posted it. So then you will also have the same problem.
Yes, sir.
So you can debug with your code, not a problem. I will tell you what is wrong. What is wrong is the logic is wrong. I will tell you
Sir,
where the logic is going wrong. Okay.
sir, if
Okay, sir.
Varun will copy this code, then his connections will be also same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, or else I will try to code the LCD system.
Not a problem. You keep your coding. The problem is not with your LCD connection. The problem is with the logic.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
you just try to find out why whatever code you have, you keep it. You just comment two buttons. You keep the other two buttons alive, and then you see what is happening. Or better, I think what you're referring to is you don't have the switch statement printed at different instances. That is what you're referring to, correct?
Sir, I did not write the switch statement at all, sir.
You did not write the switch statement at all. Good. I think better you can pair with Divyanshu, and then you can decode. You both can debug at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Because if you try to do it, it will take much longer time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If whatever you prefer, you can do it. If you want to do it on your own system, if you want to do the redo the connections again, and if you want to work it, not a problem. I thought you would have already had this particular coding with you, and now only I came to understand that I have made these changes repeatedly only on Divyanshu's computer, and you don't have it. Okay, so if you want to do it, copy it and then rework on it. Whatever works for you, you do it, Varun. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mm.
Sir,
Yes, Varun,
sir, I have got it, sir.
you have got it.
Sir,
Okay.
can I share my screen?
Yes, wait. I think it's 6:50. Divyanshu, let's wait for Divyanshu's conclusion as well.
Okay, sir. But
We'll,
I have one
Sir, I
problem
am
in
still
it, sir.
thinking.
okay. Okay, we'll discuss. We'll discuss at 6. Time is now 6:50. We'll discuss in another 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
See if it opens. If it opens, it is done.
Hello.
Here's the Venture.
Sir, still could not find, sir.
Still could not find. Okay, Varun, let's hear your story. Varun?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can't screen share when Divyansh is screen sharing, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I stop, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the problem is that when the forward goes out, the motors also don't work, sir.
When the forward,
That is when the forward blinks, no, sir.
okay,
The motors stop working, sir.
okay,
I have put delay 1000 for that, sir. Delay 1 second.
okay. So
What
you're
to
telling
do,
it's
sir?
because of that delay.
No, sir. I have put delay and blink, sir. So when that delay 1 second, when the forward blinks, the motor stop and then again starts working.
When the delay occurs, the forward blinks, the motor stops, and
Sir,
hence you are saying that that is the glitch, that is the problem.
think so, sir. But when I use for left and right, it works properly, sir.
Can you show me? Right, you see there is a blink right there. There is a blink again. Okay, So what you have done is you have just put in forward, left, right, and then backward. You have left out a halted.
Yes, sir.
So since you have left out halted, it is not showing that. Since you have left out halted, it is showing as a blank space. So if you would have added a condition, let's say halted. If you have added
Sir,
a
1
condition.
minute. Can I add, sir? Can I add it?
Okay, just 1 minute. Kavya. Kavya, kekda. Just 1 minute, people. Kavya, you will class வந்து 7 மணிக்கு சரியா 7 மணிக்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க நான் வெயிட்டிங் ரூம்ல போடுறேன் நீங்க அங்க கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க இந்த கிளாஸ் முடிச்சுக்கிறேன் சரிங்களா ஓகே thank you okay you are telling me that blink is due to that once delay 1000
No, sir.
uh,
I'm telling that when the delay occurs, the motor stop working.
That is what pa the motor stop working hence since
Sir,
the motor is not working
I'm telling the delay 1000 is not the cause, sir.
Delay 1000 is not the cause. Okay. So what is the reason for that blink there?
I do not know, sir.
But you told me you had a solution before.
No, sir.
Oh. Okay. Divyanshu, you share me your screen. I will tell you. I will give a hint. I won't give you the exact solution. I will just tell you where the problem is. I will highlight that line and then you have to tell me the reason for that.
Okay, sir, but I could not share.
You
sir.
can share your screen. Share your screen. Varun, you also pay attention.
Okay,
I
sir.
can share.
So the reason is because can you show me from the if statement? Can you show me from the if statement? Yes.
Put it forward. Okay, sir.
Yes, leave it there. So once when we press the forward button, the value of A is set to 1 and else is skipped and then switch is completely executed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But however, when we add the other button, similarly we have a reverse here, that will not be executed, your else will be executed and then your switch will be executed. The culprit here in this particular coding is the value that is set to 0, this A value. Okay, you just think about this particular line, what is happening with your code, and then you come back in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That is the problem. I told you what the problem is. You have to tell me the reason why it is causing that problem in the next class. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay. If possible, can you please leave because I have people from next class coming in.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you all. I'll see you again
Thank you,
next
sir.
week. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. சார் இருங்க அந்த பசங்க வந்துருவாங்க நம்ம வந்த உடனே ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம் எல்லாம் இதுல தான் வெயிட் பண்றாங்க admit all
சரிங்க சார் ஓகே
சார் உங்களை கோஹோஸ்டா போட்டிருக்கேன்
சரிங்க சார்
ஏதாவதுனா நீங்க கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகேங்களா
வணக்கம் ஐயா
வணக்கம் வசனி
வணக்கம் ஐயா
வணக்கம் ரியா